Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Subscribe, like, and share. Fire Reid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is Jen and Ken Travel. Long time we subscribe to Fire Reid.
Yeah.
You know, cause Fire Reid I bring all the authentic Jamaican vibe here. Yeah, man. Real.
Yeah,
so
man.
we still are going to do a thing. We just a drive round and we are see devastation. And it bad. Very bad. You know,
man.
but you don't know. We have to do it, you know.
Yeah.
We have to do it same way. So, subscribe to Fire Reid.
Yes,
Fire
man.
Reid I pass a long time.
Long time.
A
Saint-
long time. A
we
year.
talk about St. Elizabeth, you know?
Yes, a years. And me I say Fire Reid. You want a little joke too. And me know you know a place.
Yes, man. Whole heap of place, man. Whole heap of place. Yeah, man.
And me I said him I want a right man to link with
Yes,
us.
man.
You go everywhere.
Everywhere in St. Elizabeth you can talk about.
Yeah, man.
So, my people, don't forget, you know, subscribe to the channel. Each one help one, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ken
man.
and Jen
Ken
Travel.
and Jen Travel, you know.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe to your channel.
Me
And I
and
will
her
see
see
what.
and we are doing it.
Me alone can't do it. They might give you from one different side, and I give you from one different side.
Yes,
So
man.
just subscribe to your channel, alright?
Yes, man.
Big up on yourself
Yes,
again,
man.
you know? Yeah, man.
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
Man, that's our
Man.
respect.
One love.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, welcome back to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. Trust me, I'm giving a tour of party. I don't know normal with people. So anybody who watch a video, if you can reach out to anybody in a party, just reach out. So I'm giving a tour from the party area. So big up on now watch from Yard and Abroad. Big up on yourself. I want to tour guide this Fire Reid. Yeah, man, so this place our Eyeglass Rest. Yeah, so it's Eyeglass Rest. Yeah, man, all the grave over in the water. Not a pretty look. See you, man. Big up yourself, you know. Alright, my boss. Alright. So, here's some people are not normal, you see it? Yeah, man, are not normal. Devastation in St. Elizabeth. Water. See over there, so grave out of water, out of the dirt, me mean. No pretty, me people. Yeah, man, so a party with them, man. That party, not normal with people. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in the party area. Yeah, man, so now we see what I go on the party. Big up on yourself. Anyway, now watch from Yard and Abroad, you can big up on yourself. So this is what party look like, guys. This is the 24th of December. And thank you guys for stopping by. So I'm not giving you from the entrance into party. I'm taking you back out on the main road, guys. Tell us a party get badly damaged, you know, guys. Badly damaged, you know. Man, say a gentleman I say is a house for sale right here. 876-377-6840. So if you need a property to buy, I see persons maybe want to relocate it out this area. So see a for sale sign. Tell us say it no normal with people. Yes, my people, like right here, like the road did kind of break like so. I don't know if they fix it back. So we're at Paradise Ocean View, right on the main, right here, going to the main road, to Crane Road. So thank you guys for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.